Alright. Little thing hit the window. It look like he gaining his conscience back. He trying to move. You're alright, buddy. It's okay. Who knows what kind of bird this is? Yep. You ain't got your legs back yet. You'll be alright. Yeah. Flew into the window over there. My homeboy Mario brought him out the yard so the dog wouldn't eat him. That's what's up. You're gonna be better soon, buddy. Don't be scared. Zoom in. There you go. I'm in Belize, by the way, so you know what kind of bird this is. Hey. Should I check you for a camera? Huh? You got electronics in you, buddy? Huh? I think we need to cut this one open and see if you got electronics in him. The bird. He looked at me. Yeah, we talking about you. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Oh shit. You for real? Huh? I wouldn't do that if you're real. But if you're a robot, you better tell me now. Huh? You a robot? Just cause you breathing, I don't know. They can make robots look like they breathing. Poor thing. But yeah. What kind of bird is that? Yeah, have a good day. Stay nappy and natty.